I'll show you how you can verify a LinkedIn account without a passport. Now, from the LinkedIn app, you have to do this from the app. It can't be the web one. You'll have to go to your profile here, click on your profile again, and then on here, you want to tap on Add a Verification Badge. Now, from here, just let it load. Now, click on Verify with Persona. On here, select your country. I'm just going to stick with Austria. You want to tap on both of these. You want to agree to the terms of uses and you want to consent as well. Now, click on Continue. Now, on here, just click on Yes, Continue. And then on here, you can see there is a couple of options we can use, like an identity card and also a residency permit. You don't have to use a passport. So if you want to use a identity card, just tap on identity card. If you want to use a residency permit, just use a residency permit. So if you want to do an identity card, just tap like this, and then you'll have to upload a picture or take a picture of your identity or your ID. Now, if you want to go to residency permit, just tap on as a residency permit as well. You can see you will have to do still a picture or a selfie along with it as well. But of course, you won't need to use a passport.